I can earn around $6,000 by posting a video. I can earn up to $300 by posting a photo. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can do this. How to earn money online, posting photos and videos. And today, I will announce the 500,000 subscribers giveaway here on my channel. If you want to join, keep watching. Hi friends, before we start, I want to tell you something very important. This video is not a get rich quick video. It's not a scammy video. It's not a clickbait. Here we want to learn real strategy based on real case study that I do, but it requires real work. It requires time. It requires consistency and patience. You need at least to work like 6 to 12 months so you can reach a place where you can earn per posting photos and videos. So if you're not that person who want to really work and be consistent, please stop the video. If you are still watching after this introduction, then it means you want to work and you want to learn. So let's start. To explain the concept, it's all about selling shout outs and sponsorships, and mainly on Instagram and YouTube, because this is the profiles that I have experience in. I don't have experience in selling such things on Twitter or TikTok or other platforms. I use mainly Instagram and YouTube. I tested this strategy on those platforms only. This is why I'm sharing with you real case study and my real experience. Okay, so here I'm using a tool called Social Blue Book. Some people misunderstood this tool. This tool will give you an estimation of the value of your profile. As an example, in my case, my YouTube channel here, if I want to publish a sponsored video, a dedicated video can range between $2,700 up to $9,000 depending on several factors. In a little bit I will tell you how much I charge. I don't charge $9,000, I don't charge $5,000 and not $2,000. Not to sell you, just to give you an idea how you can estimate your cost. So Social Blue Book is a paid service that will help you estimate the numbers for your profile. In my Instagram profile, a video will cost like $500 per video, and a photo can cost like $300 per photo, per one post. Again, I don't charge these numbers. I will tell you in a little bit how much I charge. Now you'll tell me, so I need a paid tool to do this strategy? Of course no. You don't need Social Blue Book to do this. It's not a requirement. I'm just showing you the suggested prices to get the idea. You don't need these tools, and we have also free alternatives. And at the end of this video, I will give you a sheet that will help you with this business, estimated prices, and much more in one free PDF you will get at the end of this video. Now the steps I'll explain right now simply works on any platform. I will explain on YouTube and Instagram again because I worked on these two platforms, but the same steps works everywhere. So step number 1, you need to pick a niche. In my case, it's about digital marketing and online business. The same for my Instagram account. You can see in my profile, digital marketing and online business. And by the way, if you are wondering what is this extension, it's called Insist. You can use it to manage Instagram in your browser. You can search for it on Google Chrome Store. It's really perfect extension, by the way. So step 1 is pick your niche. To help you, I created two things: a video and a free PDF to help you pick a niche. You can check those two resources in the description below and select your niche. Maybe it's about health and fitness, maybe it's about digital marketing, maybe it's about finance, maybe it's about workout and gym, and so I don't know. It's up to you. Pick a niche. Number 2 is building audience by being consistent and posting content. In step 2, the majority of people will fail because they don't have the patience. This is the hardest step. Whether you start a YouTube channel or Instagram profile, you need to publish content consistently on your profiles. Optimize the content and give value to grow your audience. So here we are building audience by providing value and building trust. So people can trust your account, trust your profile, trust you. So later on, when you sponsor something, the sponsorship will really cost a lot, like $5,000 per one video, or even $9,000. If you have an audience that trusts you, you can promote something and you know that this audience will accept this sponsorship. And you know the engagement will be high with your audience and they trust what you tell them about. So pick a niche, build your audience. The third step is selling the sponsorships. Here we have mainly two methods. Before I tell you what are these two methods, let's go back to our giveaway for today. Since we reached 500,000 subscribers on my channel, thank you everyone. Today I'm announcing a new giveaway. $1,000 cash for 10 winners. If you wanna join, check the link in the description below. Let's continue now. What are the two methods to sell the sponsorships? Where to find people and companies to sell sponsorships? Number one is you do nothing. When you grow online, when you have an audience, you will get hundreds of requests for sponsorships and you will be selective and you will pick one. If you go now to my business email, I search for collaboration here, you will see I have hundreds of emails. I almost get sponsorship proposals every single day. Believe me, every single day I get those. I pick only one or two per month to promote on my channel or my Instagram profile or maybe on my blog. So number one is you just sit down and wait for people to contact you when you have an audience. Number two, you can reach out to influencers and companies and services. As an example, in my case, I work in the digital marketing field and online business field. I can search for email marketing companies, maybe ConvertKit. This company, I can send an email and tell them, hey, I want to sponsor you on my channel if you're interested, and you can manage a deal with them and so on. Or simply you can search on Instagram for influencers so you can sell them shout outs. I get a lot of requests on my Instagram profile from people asking me for shout outs and asking me if I want to buy a shout out also. So you can use DMs Instagram to reach people and ask for sponsorships and shout outs. Also, you can use some tools like influence.co to search for influencers. This website also you can use Shoutcart, where you can buy shout outs, so you can publish your profile and people will find you here to sell them shout outs and so on. I hope you got the idea. It's somehow simple as a concept but requires some patience and consistency, as I told you, and sometimes in 2-3 months you can build an audience and sometimes it takes 1 year. But I think building an Instagram profile and posting on Instagram doesn't take too much time. I think you watch Netflix and scroll on Facebook and social media hours a day. Just go check your screen time on your mobile and you will see how much time you maybe waste on nothing on your mobile, where you can build a business after 1 year. So why not? Before I end this video, I want to tell you about the pricing. In my case, I take the average between the low and the suggested price and I charge people usually like this, depending on the company and the type of video they want. Maybe a full dedicated video, maybe mentioning it inside the video, depends. But to be honest with you, the maximum amount I charged till now on a video is $3,500. I will not tell you what video is this, but this is the number that I charged for my post on YouTube. And for Instagram, the same. I always take the average, or sometimes I take the low, depending also on the type of post and what is the company I am sponsoring and so on. I hope you enjoyed this video, you got some benefit. If you got some value, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe and join the giveaway in the description, and see you in the upcoming videos.